Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. Today we will see on ADO.NET in ASP.NET. Um First we need to know what is ADO.NET. ADO.NET is used to connect or retrieve data from database. I'm using SQL Server 2005 as my database. What I'm doing is I'll explain what is DataReader in ASP.NET with example. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm just retrieving this data from front end. So let's open our ASP web page, new website. Okay, go to design, and what you do is I'm just taking a table with 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay, what I'll do is I just use a text box here, and another text box, enter, and two button controls. Okay, I just name it as first row, and next. Okay, so when I click on first, you need to display the first row of 501 and Imani. So when I click on next, it should display like 502 Rajesh. So you just double click on the first button, so you see a button click event here. You just add SQL Server. You are using SQL Server 2005, so do you use namespace SQL client data.sql client. Okay, let's open a connection here, SQL connection, con new SQL connection, and let's see how to find our connection string. Just go to view and server explorer, and we got Mendu here. Go to properties, you see connection string, you just copy this whole thing, close this and paste it here. And we need SQL SQL data reader. Just name it as dr, and SQL command cmd, and go to your button click event and open your connection, and write your command new SQL command, our command is select star from Mendu, and the connection name. Okay, now we need to connect DataReader to our command, so just execute reader. I already explained what does execute reader does in our C#.NET tutorials, ADO.NET. So Please see that video before doing this example. And your dot read, it moves to the first point of our table and display in our text box one dot text equal to dr of 0 dot to string. Okay, next text box to text equal to dr of 1 dot to string. Okay, let me run and see how it works. When I click on first button, you see 501 and Eman. When I click next button, we need to write for a code for that. So just go to our default page and double click on the next button, and you just copy this thing here and put here. Okay, so just run your program and just click first and next. Object reference not set to an instance object. Okay, in ASP.NET you need to keep static variables, so let's go and stop this first. Okay, just name our DataReader as static. Now when I run the program and I click first, you see 501 Imani. I click next, see 502 Rajesh. That is what we need to have. 503 main do 1. Okay, that is what the DataReader does in our radio.net using in ASP.NET as our front end. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.